Peterson has tweeted to Netanyahu, "Give him hell," advocating violence against the Palestinians. What is your response to Jordan Peterson and the like?
Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, قَدْ بَدَتِ الْبَغْضَاءُ مِنْ أَفْوَاهِهِمْ وَمَا تُخْفِي صُدُورُهُمْ أَكْبَرُ. Hatred has appeared from their tongues, and the hatred that their hearts conceal is even more so. Not just him, but overall, so many of our politicians, so many of our pseudo-philosophers, they're looking at this entire reality from an extremely skewed narrative. So, subhanAllah, this person, all I can say back to him, as Allah says in the Quran, قُلْ مُوتُوا بِغَيْظِكُمْ. Perish in your rage. His fate and the fate of all of those who support apartheid, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will take care of them. May Allah Azza wa Jal protect our brothers and sisters who are oppressed. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant victory to those who have been oppressed for decades and decades. May we see victory to all of these oppressed brothers and sisters. May Allah Azza wa Jal cause us all to be instruments of khair in that region.